Hi everyone, Scott here with Customized CRM that is built specifically for the lobster business, and I'm about to show you some many features of this CRM. Let's start. Here we have a lobster site with a web form. Now usually everybody that has a website, they'll have where people will submit their email or request a price quote, and that usually goes into their junk folder or their inbox, and then they have to find that information, take that information and place it into a CRM or an Excel sheet, many pieces of software to be able to work with that data. So what we have built here is one software for the whole entire streamlined solution. So what we have here is a web form that people would fill out for a price request for some wholesale lobster. So they will fill out this form, and we'll do this now so you get to see how it gets entered into the CRM. I have some fields automatically filled out here. Got to select a city. Notice how the fields automatically populate because they're being pulled from a database. They don't have to fill out a lot of things. Delivery day. Use interact. They can leave a message here if they want. Deliver to the front door. Let's pick here 30 pounds of halves. Okay, preparation, live. Frequency, weekly. Type of business, individual. Now when you submit this, it doesn't just go to an inbox. It goes in directly into the CRM, which is here. Now this whole solution is mobile, so you can take your business anywhere. The whole interface is user-friendly. This here is for your sales reps. You can track their daily activities to see how good they perform. These are all your email settings for sending bulk email to your contacts or your leads. You can do FaceTime or video conferencing with your sales people. Now here's the latest leads that came in. Now when I filled out the form back here, this went directly into the CRM and comes in here. And you will get to see what the data looks like here. So you have all the information here. You can edit this. You can change the sales rep to somebody else. The lead source, where the lead was submitted from. You can validate your lead. Use Google Maps. You can save quotes. Your invoices. Now usually when you send an email, an invoice to anybody, you don't know what happens to it after it leaves your screen. You don't know if they opened it. Could be 2 or 3 days later. You want to do a follow-up, but you don't know if they got the quote yet. Well, this shows that they've opened it or they didn't. This status right here. You can make notes on that customer, create appointments, email history, which emails are opened, their invoice history once again, and it will show the saved quotes history. Now we'll go back to the dashboard here. Now this is for viewing the quote or editing the quote. You can delete the quote. You can change the sales rep if you want from this screen. And you can note a sale. Now when it's green, you know it's a sale for that record. Now let's say you want to do up a quick price quote. Now, instead of spending 15 to 30 minutes doing a bunch of calculations, doing calculations of boxes, packing, shipping, how many pounds of lobster will fit in the box, etc., calculating all those things for each individual, that takes a lot of time out of your day. Instead, we created one little button. When this is clicked, it automatically takes all the information from the logistics area of the CRM and automatically inputs all those variables and costs and the shipping quotes or the shipping price and calculates that all on the fly. And it will do it for each shipper right here. And it will show what they ordered. Now you can save that quote and it will be saved to the record to that person's record. You can print it, create a PDF, you can email it to the client. Now for organizing and doing sales of the leads, you can use your sales pipeline where you can move each record into a different sales path all through the sales pipeline. These are all leads that have come in. You have a day planner. You can plan your day of sales, people you need to reach. We also have tasks. You can assign a task to each sales rep and the progress of that task. Campaigns. This is where you can send out marketing to subscribers that are not yet a sales lead. So these are people that have submitted just their name and an email to get information from you. And then you send out another email to get them to go to a page, a landing page, where they fill out all their information and become a lead. And then we have automations. You can create email automations. This is where you would send out an email and almost like an email autoresponder, but you can plan out the whole entire campaign, email campaign for a year or months. And depending on what steps, what emails you want to send them, you can just keep building this. Now here's where you would build your email templates. Now if you want to build an email, just click create. It will take us to the email builder. And we have our canvas here. Then we have our landing pages. We create a landing page. And you would build out your landing page and save it. Then we have our sales funnel. A few sales funnels. Add a sales funnel. Now this is like another workflow, but instead of only emails, there is landing pages, and it tracks all the activity for each email and each landing page and each form that are on landing pages. The complete sales journey from start to finish for each customer or each lead or each subscriber. And you do that by doing this. Right click, You got a lead source. You select the lead source, all leads, subscription form, all subscribers. We'll just leave it here. Select that. Whatever WIB form you wanted to select. And then you want to send an email after they fill out the WIB form. And you would connect that form to this email. Then maybe you want to send them another email. And you connect that to this one here. Now you see the flow that that person has to go through to see your marketing. And then we want to send them, let's say, to a landing page. And we can go here and select a landing page. We'll select this one. And you can visually see which landing page you've selected. And you would connect that here. And then you would save your workflow. We also have sales tracking, where you can track the sales after people buy a product. It has a pixel tag that lets you know that someone has bought that product and where they bought it from, what website they bought it from. Now we have leads. You can add a lead. Without using a website. You can view all leads. And you can show and hide columns. How many days they had to ship it. Shipper being used. The delivery date, the date that the form came into the CRM, the lead, when it was submitted, and other credentials. Red means the lead is hot, that it came in the last 2 days. And you'll see different colors for the aging of each lead. So you know which ones you got to pay attention to. Which ones are urgent. Now you can import leads. You can export to a PDF all your leads. And many other controls up here. Then you have all lead fields, which displays everything that they've filled out. It's mobile friendly, so you can just click on the expand button and you can see all the fields. What sales rep owns the lead, what lobsters, how many pounds of lobsters they ordered, delivery, and so on. You can bulk edit leads in case some of the data is wrong for locations. You can fix them. Lead sales, which leads you followed up with. Your lead WIB forms. These are the forms that you would have on your website. For example, this is a lead form. You can bulk email to all your leads. And you can drill down. And it will tell you how many leads it's going to be sent to. And the email that you want to send, the template. You can choose templates. So as you can see, this is built to do less work as possible and make your job efficient. Streamline your whole business. You can also track lead sources, so you know where your advertising dollars are going. How good is your Google ads performing? How good is your Yahoo search engine listings are performing? Bing, LinkedIn, and so on. This table will show the lead tag right here. You can track which leads are coming from where you're getting your sales, and you can put more ad dollars into those sources. If your LinkedIn advertising is getting you sales, you pour more money into your LinkedIn advertising, and so on. Never waste an ad dollar. And you have your lead reports. This automatically calculates every time somebody submits a lead, or the lead information, and how many pounds of lobsters they are looking for, or seafood, salmon, cod, or haddock. It gets automatically calculated and accumulates those totals in this screen here. How many quotes you received, follow-ups from those quotes, total sales from those quotes. You can see an all-time table here, graph of leads coming in and sales. You can break it down by year. Show a graph of 1 year per month. Or per day. You can even drill down into the data in your leads database and extract what kind of domains the emails are from, country and city. This way you can know which countries are performing better, or what cities are performing better, and what kind of email services your database is made up of from all your customers. This is for searching your leads by letter. Now we got the sales team. You can add a sales rep. You can view all your sales reps and their performance per year, per month, per day. View the performance of each sales rep. You can also log in as that sales rep by clicking View, and it will show their sales funnel. Some sales activity. It will show their leads right here, latest leads. How many emails are being sent out? Where their leads are coming from on the map. We can log out and go back to admin. We have invoices. We can view all our invoices here. Logistics. We can add product prices and packing, shipping costs per state. You can import all the countries, add country, view all states. Here you can sell leads to other companies. They can purchase the leads from you. And that's it. Thank you for watching.